This is the hammer candlestick pattern. As the name states, hammer. The hammer candlestick pattern is just like a hammer with short body and long lower wick. The hammer candlestick pattern is a bullish reversal pattern, which means if this is formed after a downtrend, there is a chance of trend reversal. The price will rally upwards. The hammer candlestick pattern is only found in downtrend. It doesn't matter if the candle is formed bullish or bearish. The interpretation is same as hammer is bullish reversal pattern. In some cases there might be a little wick upside, which is completely normal. This is the live financial market, so it is sometimes hard to find a complete valid hammer candlestick pattern. So if the wick is little bit upwards, only a little bit, then it is completely valid. Let's go to the chart and find hammer candlestick pattern. I have already marked few examples for you. Let's begin. As you can see, the price was in a downtrend. A bearish as I told you, it doesn't matter if the candle is bullish or bearish. The hammer candlestick pattern interpretation is always bullish. A bearish candlestick appeared. This is a perfect hammer and the price rallied all the way up. You can see, right? Now let's find another example. The price was clearly in a downtrend, came, see, a hammer candlestick appeared. See, this is a perfect hammer. A hammer candlestick appeared and the price rallied all the way up. This is a forex chart of US dollar and CHF. Practice, guys. After watching every candlestick video, try to practice as much as you can. I hope you have enjoyed the session and you have completely understood what is a hammer candlestick pattern and how to find it, what are its characteristics and what is the interpretation. Without further ado, let's begin to the next candlestick pattern.